Okay, so 12-bar blues is referring to the structure of the chords, what order we play them in, and how long we play each one in. When we talk about a bar, it's another way of saying a measure. When we've been counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each 4 beats is a bar, and so this structure, this blues structure, has 12 of those. And so let me just walk you through what chords we're going to play and how many times we give each one a 4 count. Okay, so the structure of the 12-bar blues is going to be 12 measures total with 4 counts each. And what we're going to do is we're going to play 4 measures or 4 bars of the A chord. Then we're going to go to the D chord for 2 bars, and then back to the A chord for 2 bars. Then we go to the E for 1, the D for 1, back to A for 1, E for 1, and then we end up starting the next 12 at A. So that sounds like this. I'll count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3. That way you'll know which measure, which bar we're on, and if I do it right, we'll end on 12. Let's see if it works. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 4, 10, 2, 3, 4, 11, 2, 3, 4, 12. And then we start all over again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the structure of 12-bar blues. So to review, the 12 bars are 4 bars of A, 2 on D, back to A for 2, then we go to the E for 1, the D for 1, back to A for 1, and E for 1. When we get there, then we start the whole thing over again with A. So that's your 12-bar blues structure. You may have to write that out on a piece of paper and then practice strumming through your 12-bar blues.